Are your nails fragile, yellow, brittle, or prone to breakage? Don't worry. I have many effective solutions to help you achieve strong, gorgeous, and healthy-looking nails. So let's get started. Before we get started, you'll need to do some basic nail care, such as nail clipper, nail file, or emery board, cuticle care. Common nail shapes are round, square, oval, almond. First, use a nail clipper to cut your nails to your desired length. Then, use a nail nipper to trim any excess cuticles, a nail file to shape the edges, a dead skin fork to remove dead skin around the nails, and a trimmer for precise detailing. This will give your nails a clean and well-groomed look before moving on to further care. Nail care routine. Prepare a soak. Take a bowl of warm water and add a few drops of shampoo. Avoid using hand wash or soap as they can dry out your nails. Clean your nails. Use a soft brush to gently clean your nails and remove any dirt or buildup. Lemon scrub. Take a fresh lemon slice and scrub your nails with it to remove stains and brighten them. After this, rinse your hands with clean water and pat them dry. Use a nail file to shape your nails according to almond. Then, take an aloe vera slice and gently rub it on your nails and cuticles. Now, apply a few drops of nail oil to your nails and cuticles. Gently massage it in to improve hydration, strengthen your nails, and promote healthy growth. Regular use of nail oil helps prevent brittleness and keeps your nails looking smooth and glossy. Bonus nail care tips. Use a base coat before applying nail polish. A base coat protects your nails from staining and strengthens them, making your manicure last longer. Avoid biting your nails. Use cuticle oil or hand cream to keep your nails and cuticles soft and prevent peeling or cracking. Consistency is key. Follow these tips regularly to maintain healthy, strong, and beautiful nails.